Hello, buenas tardes. My name is Agnieszka August-Zaremska, and I teach Sephardic culture and literature and Ladino language in the Toby Department of Jewish Studies at the University of Wrocław in Poland. In December, I will also give a Ladino online course for beginners on Zoom. I will mainly use the lyrics of Sephardic folk songs and ballads and Sephardic folk tales in order to make the learning more pleasant and to give you a little bit of taste of Sephardic culture. So, if you would like to know what Bilbiliko means and why it is Bilbiliko and not Bilbil, or who the cunning, but also a little bit silly Jocha was, and what adventures he had, please join the course. See you in December. Al vernos.